So let's talk about 3 reasons your firm needs to explore outsourced accounting automation. One is you don't have enough time, too much work, and lack of staffing. 2 is because of the challenges of time, work, and staffing, you can't expand with advisory services. 3, you're struggling with expanding customer relationships and revenue growth. So let's talk a little bit about some of the challenges accountants face in 2022. So according to Insightful Accountant, challenges accountants will face in 2022 or have faced, a lack of IT knowledge will continue hampering accounting firms' growth, especially due to a shortage of financial professionals. One way to overcome the shortage in talent is through such strong IT such as tools, process, and automation. The other thing is growing competition. Service demands are changing. In fact, 33% of accountants are considering adding in advisory services, and many firms are also moving into proactive advisory services. Bookkeeping and taxes are becoming a commodity. Shifting service demands. While these services may be the core of your business operation, it's time to consider branching out into new areas. For example, we are seeing the following proficiencies turning into must-have skills: financial analysis, financial forecasting, cash flow projection, and advisory services are especially popular. And if you offer these services in conjunction with your current offerings, you can improve client retention, upsell existing customers, and remain competitive. Why do businesses fail? 90% of businesses' failures are due to financial mismanagement. 82% of troubled businesses have poor cash flow management. 65% of entrepreneurs blame financial mismanagement for their failure. So, Liz, I'd love to ask you a question. Have you experienced any of these situations with your customers?
Yeah, even with the last slide, you were talking about tech and automation. That's an area that I think a lot of businesses struggle. A lot of accounting firms struggle because we're constantly being asked to not only be accountants, but then also assist in this IT area that's ever growing. So I definitely think that this and even that last slide hits home for us. That 90% of financial management, so mismanagement, this is an opportunity here for our firms to be able to say, we want to be able to offer analysis to our clients. We want to be able to talk through, because who we're dealing with is a lot of those micro businesses. And even whenever we start moving into that mid-market area, we find that then you start getting into these areas where there's too many people to that don't quite understand the financial piece of it. So I think that that's a big part of why I think that it's important to have tools that start to bring the data to you. And the other area that I laugh about is the mentality of accountants. So I think the majority of us struggle from that perfectionist mindset, and we never want to let go of the data. It's never quite perfect, but that's a missed opportunity to be able to share with our clients, just some of the basics. How are they doing? How are they performing month over month? So letting go of some of that perfectionist mentality and moving over into this reality of our clients just need the information. They're just hungry for how do we improve? So lots of opportunity there.
Great. Thanks, Liz.